Can we just acknowledge that everyone who's dealing with cheating is not in a trauma response to something? Some people just like the excitement of cheating. Some people just want to cheat.
But the question is, why do you like the site? That's what I'm trying to get to.
Why do people like skydiving? Why do people like racing cars fast? Why do people like motorcycles? Why do people like roller coasters?
There is a
They
reason.
want a thrill. They're looking for a thrill.
Thrills come in different shapes and sizes.
The same thing that may push someone else for why they like to do what they adventurous or whatever it is. Some people are just like that. They would want the thrill of the experience. So that's why they risk it all. Why do people bet even though they know they probably gonna lose? They want the thrill that I might possibly win. I could. I know we always want to relate it to trauma or something in the situation. Some people are just like that. Some people are always gonna cheat. And it's not based on their past, it's not based on their current relationship, but not like that. Time, space, and opportunity.
It is something in their genealogy.
I don't know. Okay, but then if it's something in their genealogy that's still past. If I come from a series of hoes, then I'm probably gonna be one myself.
And then that has some truth to it. But in the words of BB King, the thrill is gone. Like when are you go stop?
You be coming up with this stuff, like,
what you mean? That's a song.
Some people would rather ask for forgiveness and permission. They would rather do it and deal with whatever happens later than to wonder what if I would have done it.
Yeah.
So that's why a lot of people are like that. That's what I'm saying. It's not always based on like trauma or trying to dig up or revisit or something like that. Or what some people could be like that. But I'm just saying a lot of.
So what did you miss in the past that you feel like you're gonna miss out on something now?
It's not even that I missed out on something in this past. It's that I don't want to miss out. FOMO. You got FOMO.
Why do you have FOMO? What I'm trying to say that there may be some historical footprints in the past that led from one point to where you are now.
I don't think there is a methodology, rhyme, or reason to why people cheat. I think some people, time, space, opportunity, they just have an urge. Some people just carry this type of trait. This is why people don't trust people. This is why people can't have true relationship, because there's always like things like this where you're like, yo, is this real? Is this fake?
And I always say,
either
be all the way in or get the hell out. Go home and do what you're going to do. Be in a relationship, take what comes with the relationship, or move the hell on. At some point, as we get older, you just realize like, we too old for that. Sometimes you just feel like we too old for that. Like we too old to be having this conversation. We too old to be dealing with certain situations. Like
you can find yourself on either the back of a milk carton or we attending a repast, because that's just what it's gonna be if you keep acting like that.